relationship between husband and wife, how it should be. This is basic. Marriage is basically agreement. It's a contract. It's a contract between two parties. One is husband and second is wife. But parents of husband as well as wife is also concerned because they play a vital role in their married life. Sometimes so happen that the girl is she is very rich and she is very married to a simple guy who is very innocent and mature and having self respect, and his family also having self respect. But on the contrary, the other side, the girl side, the parents are very rich and they are very royal, and most of the time the girl is spending time talking to her parents. Every day she talks to her parents, and whatever happens in her law's house she always explain to her mother. And mother, she is a very kittish, childish nature, I say immature lady. She always give a wrong direction to her daughter. And sometimes so happened that every day whatever she is doing along with her husband, mother-in-law, whatever they said, told her, she explained to her mother, her parents also. And the father is very mature. Number of time the father explained to her that beta, in-laws matter should not be come to the house. You should not discuss all with your mother. But mother and daughter were not ready to listen. They were making fun of that and enjoying their happy moments. And now slowly and gradually it become a topic, and after that it become a serious topic because she has guided her daughter in a very wrong way. Whatever she is doing in her law's house, she always giving wrong suggestion, and by that time slowly and gradually the difference between daughter-in-law and their in-laws with become so it become far. And even the husband and wife has also lot of temperamental differences. Because of that the matter has gone to reach to the talak, divorce level. They start fighting on the petty matters. They don't give respect to their parents because mother is being always teaching her daughter that you should not do this, you should not do that. So in that very situation, the situation for husband become very embarrassing and very awkward, because whenever he explained to her that this kind of problem should not come and you should not discuss all with your family member, but instead of listening to him, she always preferred to listen to her mother. And then slowly and gradually the problem becomes so wide that they reach to the divorce level. Now they reached to the court. The matter was filed by the concerned court. It has come to me also. So I prefer to send this kind of matter to the mediation center, because there is a direction from the High Court. If family dispute come, they should go to the mediation first, and they should be given chance. The matter should be settled amicably, and divorce should not be granted so soon. So I play my important role. I talk to the girl why she want divorce. She explains so many things which were very childish or immature things. Then I talk to her mother. Then I found the main problem was her mother, and she spoiling the life of her daughter and encouraging her daughter to take divorce and for remarriage again. It was very surprised because daughter loved her husband very much, and both were happy also, but because of mother the family was going to destroy. So I talked to her mother. I said, why should you are doing all these things? You should not do these things. You are not playing your role as a good mother, and you should avoid such kind of petty matter, and you should avoid such kind of dispute. You should not encourage your daughter. But the daughter was not ready to listen, mother was not ready to listen. Then I told the honorable judge the culprit is mother, and she is creating nuisance in the life of the daughter. Then the honorable judge called the daughter in her chamber and explained her so many things in a very polite manner, that the daughter able to understand. Slowly and gradually in 3-4 meetings she understand that she is taking a wrong step, and with the help of the honorable judge of family court, the matter was settled amicably between both the parties, and the divorce was cancelled, and till date they both are living happy life. Now the girl is not talking to her mothers oftenly, and she realized that she was doing immature role, because once the girl is married, it's a duty of the girl being a mature lady. Once she is married, she is a mature lady. She has to play her vital role as a mature person, and she has to look after her in-laws also, and give attention to her mother, respect to mother, but not listen to so many things from her mother's side. So finally they were living a happy married life. And if this such kind of problem arise, you can always guide to your client. And thank you so much for listening to me. Regards.